Hi guys, another lock picking video for you. I've been sent this lock to have a little play with by Rick Wales from UK Lock Sport, so thanks Rick. He's also sent me some wires for tension wrenches, which is great. Thank you very much, mate. This Commando US lock is really nice lock. Does contain security pins, and I do feel serrated pins in there as well as spools. It's a 5-pinner. Can't show you the key because I haven't got it, but we'll give it a go picking it for you. I'm going to be using the Peterson gem as I normally do on these serrated locks. Very lock tension to begin with. Zoom in on this. So just dragging a pick from the back till I come to a stop and push up. That was pin 5. Turn on the core there as well also. Continue pulling dragging the pick out till I come to another stop, which feels like pin 3. There we go. A bit more of a turn on the core also. Pin 2 wants to have a go. Let's give it a go. Pin 2. Okay, there we go, and it's open. Cheers guys.